Hello students, this is SAVITA PAWAR. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. This video is on MCQs of lesson 5 quadratic equations. Already I have shared 2 videos on this topic. This is the third video. I have shared the links of PDF of all the 3 videos of lesson 5 in the description box below, so you can download it. Those who haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe, like, share to my channel Get the Math and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. So question 1 here is, if 81 is the discriminant of 2x square plus 5x minus k equal to 0, then the value of k is. So here the discriminant is given as 81, right? And here you have to find the value of k. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So substitute all the values of d, b and a from the given equation. So c is minus k here, a is 2 and b is 5, d is 81. So if you solve this equation, you get the value of k as plus 7. So option 2, that is plus 7, is the correct option. Question 2 here is, the value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square plus 1 equal to kx plus 3x minus 11x square has real and equal roots are. So the roots have been given as real and equal. Now this is the given equation. First convert the given equation by bringing all the like terms together and form it in a quadratic form. So convert this into a quadratic equation form. So here the coefficient of x is k plus 11, coefficient of x is 3 plus k, and c is here 1, the constant is 1. And since the roots are real and equal, therefore d equal to 0, and therefore b square minus 4ac is also equal to 0. This is the value of b, a and c is 1. So thus now this forms a quadratic equation, that is, it is a plus b the whole square. Evaluate it and you get the k value as k is minus 7 and k is plus 5. So plus 5 and minus 7. Plus 5 minus 7, that is option 3 is the correct option here. If the equation x square minus m 2x minus 8 minus 15 equal to 0 has equal roots, then m equal to. So first multiply m inside the bracket here. So the equation becomes x square minus 2xm plus 8m minus 15. Now from this equation, coefficient of x square, that is a, is 1. Coefficient of x, that is b, is minus 2m, and the constant is 8m minus 15, that is c. So as the roots are equal here, therefore d equal to 0 and b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Substitute all the values of b, a, c, and here you get the quadratic equation. Therefore by solving it, the value of m is 3 and m is 5. So plus 3 and plus 5. Option 3 here, it is the correct option. Question 4. If one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is 3 times the other, then b square is to ac equal to what? So here it is given that this is the quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation. You know the 2 roots are alpha and beta. So one of the root is 3 times the other. So let alpha be 3 times beta according to the given condition. Okay. Now sorry, take the sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So substitute value of alpha as 3 beta from above and you get 4 beta equal to minus b by a. Therefore make subject for beta from this equation. It will be minus b by 4a, that is equation number 1. Then we know the product of the roots is alpha into beta, that is c by a. Substitute alpha as 3 beta from above. It becomes 3 beta square equal to c by a. Make beta square as the subject, therefore it will be equal to c by 3a, that is equation number 2. Now substitute value of beta from 1 into 2 in place of beta here. So this will be minus b by 4a the whole square equal to c by 3a. Okay. So open this will be b square upon 16a square equal to c by 3a. 1a will get cancelled and make alternando. Okay. So this c will go to the denominator and 16a or 16 will go to the numerator. So this will be b square upon AC as we needed it. So b square upon AC equal to 16 by 3, that is b square is to AC is 16 is to 3. So 16 is to 3 is the correct option, that is option 2 here. So such questions can also be asked in the exam. Question 5 here is, which of the following is a solution of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0? So it's a very simple question. This is a quadratic equation, just solve it by factorization method and you get the value of x as minus 2 and x as 3 by 2. So one of the root has been given here, that is x equal to 3 by 2. So option 3 is the correct option. Question 6 is, the equation x plus 1 the whole square minus x square equal to 0 has dash real roots. So solve this equation. This is a plus b the whole square, expand it, and this x square will get cancelled. So it is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2. So you get the value of x as only one value you are getting, that is minus 1 by 2. So that is only one real value you are getting. So how many real values they are asking? That is 1. Question 7. The quadratic equation whose one rational root is 3 plus root 2 is. So you have to show what is the quadratic equation whose one of the root is 3 plus root 2. So one of the root, as we know for a quadratic equation, alpha is the root with positive sign and beta is the root with negative sign. So if one of the root is given, that is plus, it is given, so it is, let it be alpha 3 plus root 2, and therefore the other root beta will be 3 minus root 2. Now we can take the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, it will be 6. 6 means it is 6 upon 1, but as we know alpha plus beta, the formula is minus b by a. So minus b by a value is 6 by 1. Then take the product of the roots alpha into beta. If you solve this, you get the value as 7. 7 means 7 by 1. So but alpha into beta, the formula is c by a. So 7 by 1 equal to c by a. Now substituting the values of this in the quadratic equation, so you get the required equation as x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. As b is minus 6 here, as b will be minus 6 and c is 7 and a is 1 here. So this is the quadratic equation. So from this here, option 4, x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0 is the correct option. Question 8. The sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 0. So you have to find just the sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So minus of minus 9 by 3. Okay. So that becomes 3. So plus 3 is the correct option. Question 9. You have to solve this and find the value of x here. So this is the square root equal to 2x minus 3. If you remove the square root, you have to take the square on the other side. Now this is a minus b the whole square. Expand it, bring all the terms to one side. So it becomes a quadratic equation, divide by 2. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now factorize it and then you get the value of x as plus 6 and x as minus 1. So plus 6 and minus 1, that is option 2 is the correct option, and that is the value of x. Question 10. A natural number when increased by 12 equals 160 times its reciprocal. Find the number. So let the number be x here. A natural number, it is increased by 12. Increase means add. So x is added with 12, that equals to 160 times its reciprocal. So reciprocal of the number. So that is 1 by x. Multiply, times means multiplication. So 160 into 1 by x is 160 upon x. Now bring the x on this side and convert it into a quadratic form. Now factorize it and you get the value of x as minus 20 and x as plus 8. Now since it is given that it is a natural number, it is given here it is a natural number, so we cannot consider the negative value of x. So we have to consider x as equal to 8. So option 2 here is the correct option. Question 11. Alpha and beta are the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Then the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is dash. So we know alpha plus beta is minus 3 by 4, that is minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a, that is 7 by 4. So the given equation is 1 plus alpha plus 1 plus beta. Take the LCM, you get beta plus alpha upon alpha beta. So beta plus alpha, substitute the value, this is one and the same thing, that is minus 3 by 4 upon 7 by 4, 4 will get cancelled. So you have the value as minus 3 by 7. So option 2 here is the correct option. If the roots of px square plus qx plus 2 equal to 0 are reciprocal of each other, then value of p is. So roots of this equation are reciprocal to each other. The roots are alpha and beta. So let alpha be reciprocal. Beta is the reciprocal to alpha. So alpha equal to 1 upon beta. So this will become alpha into beta equal to 1. So value of alpha into beta is 1 here. But alpha into beta is c by a. C value from this equation is 2 and a is p. So and alpha into beta is 1. So 1 equal to 2 by p. So p will be equal to 2. So p is equal to 2, that is option 4 is the correct option. Question 13. The roots of the equation 2x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 are. So you have to find the roots of the equation, you have to find the nature of the roots. So that's why you have to find the value of d. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. From the equation b is 1, a is 2 and c is minus 1. You get the value of d as 9, which is greater than 0. And since it is greater than 0, therefore the roots are real and distinct. So option 1 is the correct option. Question 14. The equation 12x square plus 4kx plus 3 equal to 0 has real and equal roots if the value of k is. So since it is real and equal roots, therefore d should be equal to 0 and hence b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b is 4k and a is 12, c is 3 and therefore k square is 9, therefore k is plus or minus 3. So option 1 is correct option. Question 15. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0, then value of p is. So already it is given that minus 5 is the root of this quadratic equation. So in place of x you can substitute value as minus 5. So you get the value of p as 7. By solving this equation, p equal to 7. So that is option 3 is the correct option. So these were some of the few more quadratic equations MCQs. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.